Are you tired of running out of credits on Seedance? In this video, I reveal a brand new secret method to access Seedance 2.0 completely free and unlimited. No VPN needed, no expensive subscriptions, just high-quality cinematic AI video generation. Watch the full tutorial to discover the secret platform, learn how to claim bonus credits, and uncover my simple trick to keep generating stunning AI videos forever. Let's dive in. Do you want to unlock the power of Seedance 2.0 without touching your credit card? You're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm pulling back the curtain on a game-changing platform that gives you full access to these premium tools, completely free of charge. Stick around until the end because you won't want to miss a single step of this workflow. Start by opening Google Chrome on your desktop or mobile device. In the address bar, head over to videoenu.com. This platform acts as your gateway to high-end AI features without the premium price tag. Once the site loads and takes you to the home page, you first need to sign up using your Google account. Click on the Login button here and select the Gmail account you want to use to sign up with. Accept the privacy policy and terms of service so the videoenu site can process and protect your data. Then click on Continue. As you can see, we have logged in successfully. All right, now you can see a pop-up prompting us to share a bit about ourselves. By answering these quick questions, you will receive an extra 200 bonus credits in addition to the 500 you have already been given. Let's start by answering the questions. The first question asks about our occupation. We will answer this by selecting Student. Then click Next. Next, they ask about our main purpose for using this AI video tool. We are using it for a cinematic story, so select that option and then click Continue. Tell them we are beginners by selecting that option and then click Next. The next question asks for the main platform where we plan to post the content we are creating. We will select YouTube. Click Next to proceed. Now they're asking where we heard about them. You can choose YouTube or whichever platform you actually heard about them from. Then click Next one more time. For the final part, they ask what you hope to achieve here. I will write that I want to use Seedance 2.0 to create videos for free. Right after that, click on Get Credits. As you can see, we have submitted our answers successfully and our credits have been awarded 100. All right, you can see a breaking news banner announcing that Seedance 2.0 is back. Click on Try Seedance 2.0 and it will take you to the video creation interface. On this interface, you will see options for video, image, and audio. Our main focus today is video, so we'll leave it on that tab. If you ever want to create images, simply switch over to the Image tab to generate them. However, since we're not here for image or audio generation today, let's head back to the video section. Locate where it says Seedance 2.0 and click on it. This will open a menu with a variety of AI tools you can use to create your video. Since we're specifically focusing on Seedance 2.0, we'll leave that option selected. When you click on the duration setting, you'll see options ranging from 4 to 15 seconds. Keep in mind that your allowed video duration depends on the amount of credits you have available. For example, if you create a 5-second video, it will cost 612 credits, which essentially gives you only one video per account. The longer your video duration, the more credits it consumes. So let's stick with our 5-second duration. For the resolution, the options are 480p and 720p.
I'm going to choose 720p, but you can make your own choice. For the aspect ratio, we will choose 16:9, which is perfect for YouTube. Next is the Generate Audio button. This means if you want dialogue or sound in your video, you should leave it turned on. If you don't want any sound, turn it off. We're going to leave it on. You can also see that the watermark button is turned off. This means that when you create a video, there will be no watermark on the final result. If you turn it on, a watermark will appear on your video. Now, let's start creating our video with Seedance 2.0 by uploading an image and entering a prompt. Oops, we don't have an image or a prompt ready yet. Let's use ChatGPT to generate our story and our image prompts as well. I've already prepared that using ChatGPT, and here is our story. The title of the story is The Echo in the Static, and we have everything mapped out from Scene 1 to Scene 7, including an image prompt for each scene. I've also already generated the images using the prompts provided within Google Flow, and I downloaded these images directly to my phone's gallery. So copy your prompt, return to the video site, click on the plus sign, and select your image. You can see it is now uploading. Wait for it to reach 100%. Once it's done, paste the prompt you just copied from ChatGPT. Once everything is set up like this, hit this button. You'll see a notification confirming that generation has started, and you can watch the progress on the screen. Let's wait for it to process. Yes, it has finished generating our video. Now, simply preview it. Once you're satisfied with the preview, click on the download button, and it will be saved to your phone's gallery. Repeat this exact process for each scene to finish your project. As you can see, our remaining credit balance is 88, which is not enough to create another video. When this happens, simply log out, just like this, come back to the home page, log in again using a different Google account, and you can resume creating your videos with Seedance 2.0. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.